right, it's 9 p.m. and welcome to all of you. So this is Jonathan Tinoco and welcome sa ating first and ever webinar or live webinar. And in this webinar, I'm gonna be sharing with you paano ba mag-start. Okay, paano ba mag-start sa journey or particularly sa cryptocurrency. Now, a lot of people are asking me, Jonathan, paano ba magsimula? Ano ba yung mga dapat gawin? Paano ba mag-start mag-trade? Paano ba mag-start mag-invest? Now, mamaya, pag-uusapan natin itong mga to and lahat ng mga questions nyo mamaya, sasagutin natin isa-isa. Now, before we begin, okay, so first of all, I would like to welcome lahat ng participants natin today in our webinar. So welcome to all of you. Now, can you please type in in the chat box below or in the comment section? Taga saan kayo? Saan kayo nanonood? Saang area kayo nanonood? So please type in the chat box below. Saang area kayo na nanonood today? Okay. Davao, alright. So meron tayo CMD from Baguio. We have from Giovanni Davao, Caloocan. So welcome. Alright. Okay. Okay, yan. Meron tayo si Stephen from La Trinidad, Benguet. So welcome. Lipa City, Joselito, Alcano. Okay, so welcome. We have Arnaldo Cruz. Yes, from Bulacan. Jeneline Saidil sa Mandaluyong. Meron din tayo from Calambang, Hilito, Caneo. Moneymaker from Manila. Eric Caranceja from Cubao. Ramon Olmo Parañaque, Vishnu. Alright, from Bulacan. Oh, so we also have Mariela Baisa. So welcome from Quezon City. And who else? Okay, meron tayo Jerome Liao from Cebu. Okay, so Ray Alden Lazo from Manila. So welcome to all of you. So I'm currently doing my webinar live Facebook, not Facebook, but it's a webinar here in Muntinlupa City. All right. So again, welcome to all of you sa lahat na nanonood. And I'm sure most of you, hinintay nyo tong webinar na to. Okay? Because not all of you guys, especially mga malalayo, you have a chance para maka-attend ng aming mga event. Right? Some of you are from Visayas, some of you are from Mindanao. So, ibig sabihin, hindi lahat nagkakaroon ng chance para makapunta dun sa event namin because majority of our events are from particularly sa Metro Manila. So, in Makati most of the time, then in Alabang. All right? But here's the good news. Okay, the good news is starting this month onwards. So gagawin na namin to every month. So every month we're going to have a we're going to have a webinar and of course we're going to have a Facebook Live as well. So ngayon iti-test muna natin siya dito using this platform but eventually starting next month so gagawin na natin tong live. All right? Now what's good in doing this kind of webinar and session is una, kahit nasa bahay tayo, pwede tayong matuto, mag-aral. Tama? Pwede kayo magtanong. If you have some questions later on, pwede nyo i-type dito sa ating comment section or chat box section. And mamaya sasagutin natin to isa-isa. But here's the thing. Alright? Bakit ba namin ginawa or in-open ngayon tong session na to publicly? Alright? Because number one, since we want to educate more people, we want to educate more Filipino. So for me and for us, this is the fastest way on how to do that. Right? Agree ba kayo doon? Of course. Okay? Because alam natin, through the use of the internet, okay? Through the use of your smartphone, your laptop, your desktop, pwede kang what? You can reach out more people, globally, internationally, not only local or hindi lang dito sa Philippines. So, even yung mga nasa ibang bansa. So, that's why me and the rest of our team, mas nag-enjoy kami gamitin yung software na to educate more people because we can reach more Filipino. Alright? Especially yung mga kababayan natin sa abroad, mga OFWs. Now, in addition to that, bakit din ba ginagagawin namin ito? Okay? Second is, alam naman natin, pag sinabing cryptocurrency, right? When you've heard the word cryptocurrency, majority, ang iniisip ng mga tao, what is cryptocurrency? Narinig ko na yan. Tama? I've heard it, especially blockchain, crypto, Bitcoin. But I don't have any idea paano ba to ginagamit? Paano ba kumikita dito? Para saan ba yan? And some of us, unfortunately, majority, okay, ang tingin ng mga iba sa cryptocurrency, pag sinabing cryptocurrency, okay, it's a scam. Tama? Majority, tingin ng mga Filipino, not only Filipino, but also majority ng mga tao, pag narinig nila yung word na Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, for them, it's a scam. Okay? So that's the reason why we want to organize and to do this kind of session, because we want to educate more people. Ano ba meron dito? Bakit ba nagkaroon ng cryptocurrency? Para saan ba ginagamit yung cryptocurrency? And at the same time, ano yung magiging benefit nito sa'yo? Alright? Now, alright. Type nyo nga muna sa chat box below if narinig niyo ako. If you can hear me loud and clear, please type yes in the chat box below if you can hear me loud and clear. Alright? Okay, thank you. Thank you, because there's some participants na hindi nakakarinig. Alright, so please, I will suggest, alright, my co-host, so pakitulungan na lang muna siguro sila paano gagawin. Alright, so please help them to maybe, for technical reason yan. Kung baka naka-off yung inyong, naka-off yung inyong audio. So turn on lang, or I don't know, we're going to click that one. But if you can hear me, so merong button maybe somewhere there. So alright, click lang. Okay, so co-host, please help me to do that. Alright, now, to begin this session, siguro I want to share with you a short story muna, background. Bakit Jonathan Tinoco? Alright? Bakit ako maikinig kay Jonathan Tinoco? And bakit ko kailangan umattend sa event na to? Alright? Now, how many of you here, okay, before we begin, how many of you here, this is the first time na maririnig ako ng live or maybe makikita ako, not personally, but live na nag-uusap tayo ngayon, nakikinig, napapakinggan ninyo ako. So how many of you here, first time ako maririnig ng live? Can you please type in the comment section or in the chat box of this session? Alright, okay. Alright, okay. How many of you here naman, yung mga naka-attend na ng mga events namin, activities, coaching session, mentoring session? Sino yung mga naka-attend na dito? Can you please type, naka-attend na ako ng mga event? Alright. Do we have here? Meron ba tayong mga attendees na naka-attend na ng mga event natin? Or events natin, particularly? Okay, so majority first time. Okay, so yung iba, alright. Yan, naka-attend na, like Jenny Lynn, yan, meron Julius, Esquivel, so welcome. Mitchell. So, yan, okay, good. Now, here's the thing. Kung naka-attend na kayo ng mga events namin, naka-attend na kayo ng mga live workshop seminars namin, you understand bakit ba namin ginagawa ito. Why Jonathan Tinoco, right? Bakit ako maikinig kay Jonathan Tinoco? Who is Jonathan Tinoco? Sino ba yung lalaki na yan? Bakit ako kailangan makinig sa kanya? And here's the thing, okay? So for the first timers, here's a short story. Because 2015, when I first heard about cryptocurrency, okay? Now 2015, nung una ko narinig ito, ano yung cryptocurrency? Like you guys. Nung una mo narinig ito, ano ba yan? Ano ba meron dito? Bakit ba darating yung time, especially if you search cryptocurrency way back then, sabi sa mga articles, time will come, ito daw yung magiging pera natin. Time will come, magiging cashless na daw yung society natin. 2015. And 2015, naalala ko pa that time, okay, right now, if you're going to check Bitcoin's price, it's around 400,000, 500 or 400,000 peso to 500,000 peso. Tama? Now, way back 2015, okay, Bitcoin was only around 10,000 to 15,000 pesos kada isa. And, of course, syempre, dahil bago, nag-try tayong bumili ng ilang piraso. But, andun yung time, or andun yung idea, or andun yung mindset na, totoo kaya to? Papapalitan ko kaya talaga to into fiat currency, or mako-convert ko kaya to into peso. Tama? And, hindi kaya scam yung napasukan ko. Diba? Right? Majority ng mga, if you're first timer, pumasok ko sa industry, hindi nawawala yung baka scam to. Tama? Okay ba talaga to? Right? So yun yung mga idea or mindset ko way back then. But here's the thing. Bakit umabot ng 2020 hindi dito pa rin ako sa industry, in the space? Because 2015, isa lang yung nakita ko na nakapag-push sa akin to move forward. What's that? Yung word na innovation. Okay? Yung word na innovation. Okay, when you say innovation, ito yung mga pagbabago. It's either sa technologies, sa environment natin, sa culture natin. Particularly, innovation when it comes to technology. Na kung saan time will come, dahil ang internet, hindi mo maiwasan, you can stop people to use Facebook, social media, YouTube, all these things. Ibig sabihin, you can stop yung pag-i-innovate or yung pagkakaroon ng innovation when it comes sa tinatawag na financial system. And if you, siguro konting briefing tayo, konting basic tayo, alam naman natin, meron lamang maximum of 21 million Bitcoin supply. And hindi natin pwede matagdagan ito. That's the maximum. So meaning, the more people, the more people will understand what Bitcoin is, para saan ba to, ano ba yung magiging benefit ko nito, then, supply and demand. The more people that will buy, of course, value will increase. Not only buy, because tingin natin pag bumibili tayo ng Bitcoin or mas maraming bumibili, mas tumataas yung value. There's only one reason. But the most important reason is this, okay? If you have a journal, by the way, if you have your journal, notebook, please, I want you to have your journal because hindi lahat ng sasabihin ko ngayon ay mamememorize ninyo. Alright? Especially if you're first timer. So if you have a notebook, ballpen, pakilabas because all the things I'm going to be sharing with you right now today are very, very important. Okay? So para dun sa mga hindi nakakarinig, co-host, please help and guide them. Siguro, kindly send them a message. Alright? So hindi daw sila makakonect and they can hear. I don't know why. Alright? But for those people who's currently, again, sino yung mga naririnig ako, can you please type it's loud and clear in the chat box and the comment box of this webinar. Alright, very good. So thank you. Sabihin, majority na nakarinig. Alright, so yun. Second is, labas na inyong mga journal because like what I've said, marami ako ituturo sa inyo mamaya na hindi mo ito mamememorize. Okay? And here's the thing. Alright? 2015, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, 2015, wala pa masyadong nag-engage sa crypto. But moving forward, 2020, laman na to ng balita, tama? Social media. Naalala ko pa nga dati, 2015, ang nakikita ko sa timeline ko sa Facebook, puro sabon, kape, shampoo, what else? Mga traditional products na mga binibenta, tama ba? Wow, 2019, 2020, almost majority na nakikita ko sa akin timeline sa Facebook, crypto, altcoins, majority mga digital currency, stocks, forex, ibang-iba ngayon compare way back then. All right? So what's happening right now? Ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon ng pagbabago, innovation changes sa lahat ng mga bagay, particularly sa technology. So here's the thing. 2015, okay? Kung babalikan natin time na yun, wala pa masyadong gumagamit ng cryptocurrency. Kung meron man, iilan lang. Tama? Baka wala pang 5% ng population sa buong mundo at baka wala pang 1%. But 2020 na ngayon. Today is 2020, February 2020. Okay? Now, ang dami na nakakaalam ng tinatawag na cryptocurrency. Ang dami ng mga Filipino yung nakakarinig about cryptocurrency. But unfortunately, the reason why we're doing this kind of webinar on a monthly basis at bakit natin itong gagawin regularly is because we want to reach out more people. Okay? That this technology is not just an investment and of course, it's not a scam. Okay? Kasi ayun yung tingin natin. Majority ng mga Filipino, tama? So babaguhin natin yon. Why? Because like what Warren Buffett said, the risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. May scam ka lang kapag hindi mo alam yung ginagawa mo. Tama? And here's the thing. In the upcoming bull run, mas marami mga scam yung talagang lalabas. Scam. Companies. I'm sure you've heard some of them. Tama? And that's one reason bakit ko gusto magturo online, publicly, because I want to reach out like you guys who's watching, who's listening right now. All right? Now, moving forward, 2017, okay, nung nakasama ko na yung aking wife, yung girlfriend pa lang kami way back then, I told her, sabi ko, I want to start to organize events. I want to start to organize sessions, coaching sessions, okay? And way back then, people think na hindi naman daw kailangan ng mga seminars para matuto, hindi naman kailangan ng mga workshops para matuto. But here's what I believe. Tayo kasi mga tao, iba-iba yung ating mga there are different types of people when it comes to learning. Merong mga kinesthetic, merong mga auditory type of people, merong mga visual type of people. Ibig sabihin, may mga tao na mabilis sila matuto by just looking at the lesson, the idea, dahil nakikita nila. Meron namang mga tao, mabilis sila matuto kasi naririnig nila. And merong mga tao naman, mas natututo sila kapag nakikita nila, hindi lang nakikita, hindi naririnig, but naahawakan nila, nakakasama nila, marami silang kasama doon sa isang lugar. So inyong mga tao na kinesthetic. So that's why we understand the fact and we believe na tayong iba-iba. And majority ng mga umaattend sa mga events namin, mga seminars namin, these are the kinesthetic type of people because mas natututo sila kapag actual nila nakikita, nagkakaroon ng participation. So that's the reason why we have different events and workshops, not only in Metro Manila, but of course, it's ibang panig ng Pilipinas. But again, that's not the topic for today. So mamaya natin pag-uusapan yan. Now, alright. So ano yung meron sa ituturo natin today? Okay? Ano yung ma-share ko sa inyo today? Okay, simple. Alright, simple. Okay? Now, meron akong mga websites na ibibigay sa inyo, tools that can help you for you to start your trading journey and your investing journey in cryptocurrency. Okay? So tatanggalin na natin yung idea na most people or ang Bitcoin is scam. Of course not. Okay? And here's another idea, another limiting belief. Okay? Another limiting belief is, hindi ako techie, Jonathan. Hindi ako maalam. Hindi ako marunong kumalikot ng mga kung ano-ano online. Here's the thing. Kaya ka nandito kasi, alright, nakita mo sa Facebook, nakita mo sa Telegram group, tama? Ibig sabihin, if you know how to use Facebook, okay, and you're not even earning through Facebook, unless of course you're a digital marketer, but Facebook is not actually paying you anything, tama? Pero inaral mo, minaster mo paano mag-post ng video, mag-post ng photo, paano mag-like, paano mag-share, paano mag-comment, tama? Now, if you can use Facebook, you can also learn what we're doing here. Magiging mahirap lang to pag iisipin mo mahirap. But again, lahat ng bagay pwedeng matutunan, lahat ng bagay pwedeng aral. I think gusto kong itanim sa mga isip natin, especially mga kababayan natin Filipino. Alright? Guys, okay? Nagiging mahirap lang isang bagay pag inisip mo mahirap ito. But if you believe in yourself that you can, then things are going to become simple, easy, doable. Just like what you're doing right now. Okay, and again, since you already here, you already met me, you already met Jonathan Tinoco, so hindi mo ito gagawin mag-isa. You're going to have a community, you're going to have an environment, and a helping environment that will guide you through that process. Now, to continue my question kanina, some people think, bakit Jonathan Tinoco? Here's my answer. Okay? If you want to become a successful basketball player, okay, magpapaturo ka ba kay Manny Pacquiao para maging magaling na basketball player? Of course not. Tama? Of course, paturo ka kay LeBron James. Di ba? Patulong ka dun sa mga magaling. Si Kobe, patay na pala. Wala na. Alright? So, who else? Michael Jordan. Sa Pilipinas, sino yung mga magaling na coach? Right? So, paturo ka sa mga galing na coach. Now, if you want to become a successful boxer, of course, hindi ka na magpapaturo kay Lisa Makua, right? Magpapaturo ka kanino? Of course, doon sa magagaling na, sa marurunong, okay, na mga boxer. Of course, Manny Pacquiao is there and marami pang iba. Now, if you want to become, let's say, sabihin natin, magaling na stock market investor and trader, saan ka papaturo? Siyempre, doon sa mga marurunong. Tama? Now, me, I've been in the industry in the last 5 years from 2015. It is 2020. So, hindi ako first time na nandito ngayon, nag-share sa inyo ngayon, hindi ko sinimulan to kahapon, din ituturo ko to ngayon. No, I've been here, nasabayan ko yung ups and down, I understand how the market works, I understand the fundamentals and the technicals of I'm gonna be sharing right now. Ibig sabihin, I'm not saying I'm the best. I'm not the best in this industry. Maraming mas marunong, mas magagaling sa akin. Alright? So if you're gonna tell me, hey, hindi na ako maikinig sa'yo, hindi naman ikaw yung the best. Hello. Okay. Lahat ng mga taong successful ngayon, at first, hindi rin niya marurunong. But eventually, the reason why they're good in what they're doing is because nalagpasan nila yung mga challenges, they continue their process, and at the same time, inaral nila kung anong ginagawa nila. They've learned from their experiences, mistakes, dumaan yan sa failure. And I'm gonna be straightforward. Hindi naging madali ang journey ko in the space since 2015. Maraming mga challenges, maraming ups and downs. But here's the thing, if you don't know what you're doing, definitely you're gonna end up losing all your money, losing all your funds in the space. So that's why you're here, because you want to learn, you want to receive educations from the right people who also understand what they're doing. So remember this, okay? I'm sure you've searched me in social media, YouTube, nakita niyo yung mga videos ko online, and you've seen my activities, my programs, reports, videos. So you started to learn what we're doing. Now, yung gagawin natin on a monthly basis, something that will supplement, okay? That will give you supplements doon sa ginagawa mo na. So, anong ibig sabihin ng Jonathan? Ibig sabihin, kung magaling na ako, hindi ko na kailangan makinig sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, kung marunong na ako, expert na ako, hindi ko na pala kailangan umattend dyan sa webinar mo. Now, here's the thing. Even me, okay? Alam niyo ba, lahat ng mga tao nagiging magaling, sa lahat ng ginagawa nila right now, lahat yung mga athletes, magagaling na mga investors, mga successful ng tao, lagi yan merong training. Okay? Lagi yan nag-aaral. Even me, I keep on learning new things every single day, because every single day, lagi merong lesson. So if you're going to stop your learning, trust me, okay? Kung gusto mo maging magaling na basketball player, tingin mo ba matututo ka kung maglalaro ka lang once a week or even once a month? Of course not. If you want to become a basketball or professional, sabihin natin singer or swimmer, tingin mo ba magiging magaling kang singer, professional singer or swimmer kung gagawin mo lang niya once a week? Of course not. You need to invest at least minimum 1 hour a day. At least minimum 1 hour per day if you want to be good in what you're doing. So ibig sabihin, starting today, hindi mo ito gagawin mag-isa. You're going to have a community, a tribe that will guide you through that process. So now, tanggalin mo na rin yung sa isip mo, yung sasabihin mo na mahirap to, baka hindi ko kaya. Again, ulitin ko, magiging mahirap lang to pag inisip mo na mahirap ito. But if you believe in yourself that you can, then magiging madali ito. Alright? So, if you are ready, type I'm ready in the chat box below, in the comment box below, if you're ready to start your learning process today. Alright, very good. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now here's the first thing that I want to share with you. Okay? Alright, now paano ba mag-start muna sa cryptocurrency? Ano yung mga dapat kong simulan bago ako mag-start, bago ko simulan yung aking journey in cryptocurrency? Now, meron ako ipapakitang website sa inyo. Ito yung gusto kong simulan natin muna. Okay? I want to start by sharing this website called www.coinmarketcap.com or coinmarketcap.com. Okay? So if you're also, or not, if you have with your laptop, your computer, I will suggest, all right? I personally suggest, buksan nyo rin yung website, because habang tinuturo ko sa inyo ito, at least nakikita nyo, nakakasabay din kayo. Are you following? Okay. So, now, Coach, ano meron dito? Jonathan, ano meron sa coinmarketcap.com? Now, most people think, okay, isa lang ang tinatawag na cryptocurrency, and it's only Bitcoin. Tama? Now, when you've heard cryptocurrency, unang lalabas sa isip mo, baka una mo may isip yung word na Bitcoin. But here's the reality. Hindi lang Bitcoin ang meron sa market ngayon. There are thousands of different cryptocurrencies. In fact, there are more than 5,000 different cryptocurrencies. Siguro gamit ako ng tool, maybe somewhere here. Okay, saan ba nakikita yan? Okay, here. There you go. So, para makita ninyo yung ibig kong sabihin. Okay. Alright, this one. Okay. Here. Okay. This one. So, there are more than 5,000, in fact, 5,154 different cryptocurrencies in the market. But of course, not all of them. Hindi mo kailangan pasukin, pilin, and there's a reason why. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yun. But ang unang cryptocurrency na alam natin, kilala natin ay yung tinatawag na Bitcoin. So if you click Bitcoin, okay? So makikita mo yung information about kay Bitcoin, like its value, alright? Pang ilang rank siya, website, okay, market cap, magkano yung kanyang value, total market capitalization sa madaling salita, yung kanyang 24-hour volume, yung circulating supply. Pag sinabing circulating supply, ito yung available ngayon sa market. Okay, ito yung mga hawak ko, hawak mo, hawak na exchange, hawak natin lahat. Okay, yung mga hindi pa namimina. Alright? And 21 million is the maximum Bitcoin supply. And if you scroll it down, makikita mo dito naman yung chart ni Bitcoin, makikita mo yung what happened starting 2014 or 2013. So ito yung kanyang coverage. So makikita mo yung kanyang data sa madaling salita using coinmarketcap.com. Now, why am I sharing this to you? Okay, it's because, all right, if you want to know what's the current value of Bitcoin and also other cryptocurrencies, then this website can help you. So, bakit importante malaman mo yung value o yung price ng Bitcoin? Of course, okay, pag alam mo yung value, then alam mo, okay, paano kang po-posisyon or how are you going to create your trading plan or maybe your investing plan? Okay, so there are two types of plan, especially if you're going to engage yourself in cryptocurrency. Okay? Investing plan and trading plan. So, Jonathan, anong pagkakaiba ng dalawa? Alright? So, now, pag sinabing investing plan or pag sinabing investor, okay, you're going to what? Ang ginagawa ng mga investor, very simple. They buy Bitcoins, then they hold it, then hinayaan nila to 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, some are 8 to 10 years. Okay? Now, if you're a trader, okay, you buy and sell regularly through the use of different exchange. May mga tinatawag na spot exchange. Meron din tinatawag ng mga margin trading exchange or leverage trading exchange. Now, later on, pag-uusapan natin itong mga to. But what I want to discuss and what I want to share with you right now are some of the basics. Basic fundamentals and basic technicals. Alright? Alright, Coach Jonathan, bakit ito ang value or bakit 8,821 ang current price ng Bitcoin ngayon? Sino nag-create nito? Bakit ayan? Okay? Now, before naging 8,800 ang value ng Bitcoin, siguro, okay, refresh ko ng konti. Kung babalikan natin yung history, 2009, sa totoo lang, wala pa tong value, as in zero. Okay? Zero pala yung value niya. So, hindi na kinover ng CoinMarketCap. So, it was started 2013. But way back 2009, it's 0.0001 US dollar. Sobrang baba nung kanyang value pa lang dati. Okay? And because people started to understand paano ba ako magbe-benefit dito, ba't ko ba kailangan bumili niyan, saan ko ba ginagamit yung Bitcoin. So people when they started to understand para saan ito, then eventually, when people started to buy, nagkakaroon to ng value, tumataas yung value. And alam naman natin, there are only maximum of 21 million Bitcoin supply and ang circulating supply ay currently ito. Now, meron tong computation. Alright? Merong computation ito. Bakit ito yung value niya? So, pakilabas na inyong mga journal because there's a formula. Because most people think, sino ba nag-invento nito? Bakit ba 8,000 yung value niya? So, mamaya tayo tatalon doon sa trading part. Gusto kong pag-usapan muna natin yung fundamental part nito. So, Coach, bakit 8,817 yung value ni Bitcoin? Now, here's the formula. Okay? Now, currently, ang market capitalization, yung perang umiikot sa kanya, yung value na umiikot sa kanya ay 160 billion US dollars. And of course, yung kanyang circulating supply ay nasa 80,240,262. Now, paano nakuha ngayon yung value na 8,817? Okay, kuha tayo ng calculator. Okay? And the formula is very simple. Okay? Para mapalabas mo yung value, okay, ng Bitcoin or ni Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. This topic is very important. Ulitin ko, this topic is very important because eventually, especially pagdating ng tinatawag na next bull cycle, or the next boom of cryptocurrency. Okay? For those of you who's listening right now, maraming scams yung lalabas. Maraming companies yung lalabas to what? To take advantage of the yung popularity ng Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as well. So maraming company yung lalabas dito na ang goal nila ay what? To encourage people to invest their money in those companies. And of course, dahil nakita mo malaki yung kitaan, dahil alam mo kikita ka kahit wala kang gagawin. Tama, that's the idea eh. Yung kikita ka wala kang gagawin, lagi tayo nahuhulog sa ganitong mga idea without even thinking, bakit nga ba? Alright, bakit nga ba wala akong gagawin, kikita ko? Anong nangyari? Tama? If you don't understand that idea, so you might end up losing your money because at the end of the day, nasa huli ang pagsisisi. That's why I really want to give this kind of education for you to get or for you to have this knowledge. Now, bakit 8,817 yung value ni Bitcoin? It's because the formula is you need to divide market cap sa circulating supply. Itin ko nakadepende sa market capitalization ng isang cryptocurrency at yung circulating supply ng isang cryptocurrency kung magkano yung kanyang magiging value. Now, if I'm going to use my calculator, gawin natin, copy natin yung market cap. Okay, divide natin sa circulating supply, which is 18,240,000. Ulitin ko, circulating supply, ito yung available na Bitcoin na hawak ko, hawak ng mga exchange, and hawak ng mga tao na merong Bitcoin. So, divide natin siya sa 18 million. And tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging sagot kung kapareho ba ng value or price ngayon ni Bitcoin. Okay. And there you go. Alright? It's 8,817 US dollars. So, multiply by 52 sa peso, of course, lalabas is 458,000, around 458,000 pesos. So coach, ibig sabihin para makuha ko yung value ng Bitcoin, kailangan ko siyang i-divide sa market cap and circulating supply? Yes. And it also applies sa iba't ibang cryptocurrencies, not only Bitcoin. Remember, there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies. Meron pa dyan tinatawag na Ethereum, meron din dyan Ripple, meron din dyan Bitcoin Cash, at marami pang iba. So sobrang dami niyan. So if you scroll it down, if you click next, so makikita mo yung mga kasunod. Alright? Okay. So can you please type again in the comment box, alright, or in the chat box below, if are you guys learning? Type, yes, I'm learning in the comment box below. Kung may natututunan kayo sa tinuturo natin. Again, wala pa tayo dun sa mismong topic, but I want to make sure na lahat nakakasunod, lahat nakikinig, lahat nakakasabay. Alright, thank you for sharing. Thank you. Alright. Alright. Okay. So again, wala pa tayo dun sa topic. Kaya andito pa lang tayo sa coin market cap. So pinapakita ko pa lang sa inyo ano yung mga basic info, fundamental knowledge na dapat nyo matutunan. Now, punta tayo dun sa isang importanteng topic. Sabi ko nga kanina, eventually, in the next bull cycle, okay? In the next bull cycle, marami maglalabas sa mga companies, or we call it companies, na ang trabaho or the goal is what? To encourage people to invest in their company and guaranteeing these people for, let's say, 10% a week, wala kang gagawin, 10% a month, meron pa dyan, 40% a month, and so on. May mga nag-o-offer, may mga lalabas dyan na mag-o-offer pa ng double the money. Okay, when you say double the money in 1 month, invest ka ng, let's say, 10,000, meaning next month, meron kang 20,000 including your capital. Wala kang gagawin, invest ka lang. Bakit? Kasi itong coin na to, pag binili mo, tataas yung value. Eventually, of course, pag maraming bumili, kikita ka. Now, that's not the reality. Ulitin ko, that's not the reality. Alright? If someone, listen, kung may mag-o-offer sa inyo, alright, nang sabihin natin, o let's say for example, Pedro, bili ka dito, sali ka sa company namin kasi itong company namin eventually, ang tawag sa coin na to ay, let's say for example, X-coin. Alright? So let's say, itong X-coin na to, if you miss Bitcoin, time will come, pag bumili ka ngayon, magiging value din to ni Bitcoin. Have you heard those words, those scripts? Those marketing scripts. At ikaw naman, dahil kay friend mo, kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo, girlfriend mo, tatay mo, nanay mo, bumili ka, sumali ka. Now, merong mga techniques, merong mga question na pag ginamit mo, alright, tinanong mo, okay, you will end up what? You will end up becoming a professional investor in the cryptocurrency space. And by simply asking this question, may eliminate mo yung, of course, putting your money at risk. Now, here's the thing, okay? Ito yung share ko sa inyo una. Number one, pag may mag-o-offer sa inyo mga companies, okay? And these companies will gonna tell you, uy, Pedro, bili ka ng coin na to, invest ka dito, alright? Invest ka, kahit hindi ka mag-recruit, kikita ka. Kaya mo kang parang Bitcoin din to, magiging kagaya to ni Bitcoin. Here's the first question that you need to ask to that person. So, are you ready? Okay. Pag may mag-o-offer sa'yo, ang unang itatanong mo dun sa tao na yan, alright? Okay. Any coins. Example, may nag-offer sa'yo, pangalan ng coin, X coin, Y coin, ABC coin, ABCD, EFG coin. Ito yung lagi mo itatanong. Okay? Are you ready? The first question that you need to ask is, magkano ba yung market cap ng coin nyo na yan? So ulitin ko, the first question that you need to ask is this. If someone offers you a cryptocurrency, invest ka daw dito, wala kang gagawin, kikita ka. The first question that you need to ask is, okay, Pedro, kunwari si Juan, inoferan ka. Okay, so ako si Pedro, inoferan ako ni Juan. Juan, at yung tatanong mo kay Juan ha, okay, mukhang maganda yung konsepto. Pero magkano ba yung market capitalization ng coin nyo ngayon? Ngayon, pag si Juan, hindi niya masagot. Okay? Hindi niya masagot. Yung magkano yung market capitalization ng coin na yun, takbo ka na. Bakit? As an investor, you need to know, the company need to be transparent. Magkano yung market cap ng kanilang cryptocurrency? Bakit? Kasi pag walang market cap, walang market value, global market value. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng manipulated lang yung value nito or yung price ng cryptocurrency na ino-offer nila. And there's this idea, meron kasing dalawang tinatawag na exchange. Internal exchange and external exchange. Ano yung internal exchange, coach? Ano yung external exchange? Ulitin ko there are two types of exchange. Internal and external. Etong mga internal exchange na to, ginagamit to ng mga companies na meron silang sariling community, meron silang sariling ecosystem. Particularly, ito yung mga companies na ginagamit yung idea ng multi-level marketing or network marketing. Now, bakit ko alam? Because I've been there. I've been in those companies or in those companies na have the same system. Okay? Now, of course, it ends up, in reality, I've realized na mas marami palang dapat matutunan sa labas kaysa doon sa loob. But here's the thing, ulitin ko. There are two types of exchange. Internal exchange, external exchange. And most internal, explain ko internal sa internal exchange kasi, dito nagkakaroon ng, dahil merong community yung company. So, ang nangyari, yung mga tao, alright, sila yung nagpapagalaw sa loob ng community ng market value ng coin. And minsan, sa internal exchange, nagkakaroon ng market manipulation. Bakit? Because internal exchange are controlled by the company. Ulitin ko internal exchange are often controlled by the company. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Minsan, fake yung volume. Fake yung market cap. Now, uulitin ko. Pag may mag-o-offer sa'yo sa next bull cycle, oy, Pedro, bili ka nitong coin na to. Time will come para magiging value to ni Bitcoin. The first question that you need to ask is you need to know what's the market cap of that coin. Pag hindi nyo masagot yun, of course, hindi mo malalaman kasi kung magkano yung value ng coin na yun. And of course, the second question that you need to ask is, ano yung circulating supply ng coin? Okay? Ano yung circulating supply ng coin? Bakit? Because from there, doon mo makikita, okay, magkano yung total value in US dollar or even that's in peso, ng coin na yon. So, kung hindi niya masagot yung dalawang yon, even one, okay, pag hindi niya masagot yung isa doon, particularly yung market cap, takbo ka na. Bakit? Because that person doesn't really understand what is doing. Baka ahente yung tao, maybe the person was just, selling something, and even the person don't really know kasi baka siya in-invite lang din or nabentahan lang din. Tama? So, again, ngayon, lamang ang may alam. Dahil alam mo na to, so eventually, hindi ka na mahuhulog dun sa mga ideas na yun, mga patibong na yun. And another question, another thing that you need to know. Kung may mag-o-offer sa'yo ng, let's say, that another cryptocurrency, the third thing that you need to ask is this. Are you ready? The third question that you need to ask is, available ba yan sa coin market cap? Okay? Available ba yung coin ninyo? Naka-public list ba yan? Available ba yan? Makikita ko ba yung data niyan sa CoinMarketCap? Na bakit CoinMarketCap? Because this is the first market or data, or this is the first number one, okay, data search engine ng mga cryptocurrencies. Meaning, dito mo makikita lahat ng mga cryptocurrencies. Itin ko na listed sa market. Alright? So again, if wala kayong audio, if you can hear me, co-host, may mga nag-PM, alright, paki-guide na lang sila dun sa mga hindi nakakarinig ng aking boses, paano gagawin. Alright? So please guide them, co-host, or dun sa mga, alright, hindi nakakarinig. Alright. So moving forward, okay, bakit kailangan mo itanong na, the third question is, listed ba yan sa CoinMarketCap? Because sa CoinMarketCap mo makikita kung yung data ng coin na to. Because CoinMarketCap, hindi ka mapupunta dito nang hindi ka transparent dun sa data, sa information na gusto mo i-project sa market. Are you following? And the most important question that you need to ask, if someone offers you a cryptocurrency, etong for me, this is the fourth one, another most important. Are you ready? Another important is you need to know saang exchange ko ba to pwedeng i-trade. Saan ko ba siya pwedeng i-buy? Saan ko ba siya pwedeng i-sell? Now, there's another website. Actually, it's coinmarketcap.com. But lalagyan mo ng exchanges. Okay, here. Ito na sa taas. So, it's coinmarketcap.com/exchanges. Click enter. Alright. Okay, there you go. Alright. Okay, so if I click exchanges, i-click ko itong top 100 by reported volume. Okay. Alright. Now, bakit mo kailangan malaman kung saan mo pwedeng i-trade yung coin na yun? Alright? Because there are two types of exchange. High volume exchange and low volume exchange. Pag yung coin na yun, nandun sa tinatawag na low volume exchange. Okay? Pag sinabing low volume exchange, ito yung mga nasa rank 100 pataas. Okay, let's say if you click next 100, okay, ito na yung mga exchange na yan. Yung merong 40 million market volume, 30 million, and so on. Yung top 100 exchange, ito yung mga high volume. Kasi normally, nagre-range yan from 50 million, 100 million. Like for example, of course, yung number one dito, makikita nyo dyan is Binance, which is 7.1 billion US dollar yung kanyang volume. Now, here's the idea. Una, pag wala sa exchange or wala yung coin na yon dito sa public exchange, of course, paano mo ito ibebenta? The moment na gusto mo ito i-liquidate, i-convert to peso. Tama? And second, pag nasa low volume naman, let's say, in-offeran ka ng friend mo, sabi niya, bili mo tong coin na to dito sa exchange 101, ang pangalan, kunwari. Invento ko lang yon. Alright? Pero let's say, nandoon siya napunta sa low volume. Tendency kasi, pag low volume yung exchange, pwedeng ma-manipulate. What do you mean with that? Pwede ma-manipulate, meaning, pag low volume, let's say, magpasok lang ako na $1,000 or $500, pwede ko na mapagalaw yung cryptocurrency. So, I can manipulate the token or the coin. Pero pag nandoon yung coin na to, available siya doon sa top 100. Particularly ito, Binance, OKEx, some of the exchange that me personally I'm using, OB Global, what else? Ano pa yung ginagamit ko dyan? Okay. Kraken, of course, Bitfinex, ito rin, Upbit, okay, Bitmax, CoinX, okay, BitHamp. So, coach, ibig sabihin, kailangan gamitin ko lahat ng mga to, like yung Gate.io, Liquid, mga ginagamit ko rin. Actually, no. Okay? Me, my primary exchange or my primary spot exchange is Binance. Kasi sa Binance, sila yung merong mataas na volume. So, meaning, if I want to sell the token right away, immediately, let's say, bumili ako ng coin, balik ako ng coin market cap. Okay? Ito yung kanina. Okay. Balik ako ng coin market cap. Let's say, inaral ko yung coin na to called, okay, what else? Okay, Chainlink. Sabi mo, maganda yung project ni Chainlink, ni Cardano, ni Stellar. Itong tatlo muna, alright? Okay, nag-research ka, sabi mo mukhang magandang i-buy and hold tong tatlong to. Chainlink, Cardano, Stellar. Now, if you click Chainlink, Cardano, and Stellar. Okay, tuturo ko sa inyo paano nyo malalaman saang exchange nyo to pwedeng bilhin at saka ibenta. So let's start with Chainlink. So if you scroll it down, if you click market pairs, then by reported volume, okay, there. So pwede mo tong i-trade. Ayan, may Binance, may Hobby Global, at marami pa iba. Bitmark, Pbox, Bitmark, ano pa. Actually, available siya almost majority sa maraming exchange. Yan. Okay. So, meaning, pag available yung coin sa mga primary exchange, okay, ibig sabihin, particularly, primarily, yung top 100, meaning merong volume. Now, like, for example, ADA naman, by reported volume, see, available din siya sa Binance. Stellar Lumen, okay. So, merong LA token, ayan. Binance din, meron din. So, if you'll notice, almost sa Binance. Okay? Bakit, coach? Kasi siya yung mataas yung volume. At the same time, if you're going to study yung kanyang user interface, yung tinatawag na user interface, lagi siya merong advanced features or lagi siya nagkakaroon ng mga advanced development. New features na siya yung una nagde-develop. Kaya naman, of course, eto mga company na to, like for example, yung company ni Chainlink, Cardano, Stellar, eto mga to, they choose to public or list their coin dun sa mga companies or sa exchange na merong volume. Okay? Kasi sila, alam nila, pag nilagay nila dun, may mga bibili, may mga buyers. Are you following? So that's why it's very important for you to know kapag may mag-o-offer sa yung coin, kailangan alamin mo saan mo to pwedeng i-trade. Because pag nasa low volume yung coin, even if that's available and listed, pero pag nasa low volume yung coin, madaling i-manipulate. Ang tendency, pag nilaro to, may tawag nga dito yung pump and dump scheme. Pag pinump and dump scheme to, tendency, kawawa ka pag naipit ka. So that's why it's very important for you to know saan tong exchange pwedeng i-trade. Particularly, dapat ando dun siya sa tinatawag na high volume exchange. So I hope you guys are learning. Another question is this, Coach, bakit ang daming cryptocurrency? Bakit ang daming, aside from Bitcoin, bakit ang dami niya? May mga Chainlink pa dyan, Cardano, at marami pang iba. Yan, see that? Simple, because these are also different companies. Kumbaga sa stock market, meron dyan, like say, may Apple, may sa local na lang, may Jollibee, alright? Favorite, diba? Jollibee, mayroon San Miguel, what else? Merong PLDT, ABS-CBN. So different companies din kasi itong mga to. And same with cryptocurrency, these are also different companies which has their own different projects. So meron niyang kanya-kanyang project. At para malaman mo yun, simply go to their website. Let's say, ito, Chainlink. By the way, I'm not promoting all of this coin. Hindi porket nakita mo to during this session, mamaya bibili mo na to. No. That's not the point of aksidente. Ito rin nakita ko, kaya yung pinindot ko. Alright? But not because I'm sharing it with you. Nakita mo, sabi nyo sa webinar ni Coach Jonathan, biling ko daw, Chainlink, pinakita niya, may Cardano, may Stellar, biling ko na. No. I'm not telling you to buy. This is just an example. If you want to buy, it's up to you. Okay? But here's the thing. Para makita mo yung project, you need to go dun sa kanyang website. So if you click website, so open new tab. Alright, so dyan, makikita mo anong function, anong purpose ng mga cryptocurrencies na ito. Are you following? So I hope marami kayo natutunan dun sa first topic natin. So again, this is not yet the topic. So introduction pa lang natin ito. Are you following? But again, type in the comment box again. Type below if nakakasunod pa rin. Type, okay, I'm learning. Okay, in the comment chat box below if you are still learning with me. Okay, please, come on. Okay, I'm learning. Okay, very good. Sino excited matuto pa dito? Alright. Type nyo, that's me. Alright. How many of you are excited? How many of you are excited to learn more? Okay, type, that's me. Alright, very good. So thank you. Alright, very good. Okay, so now, moving forward, so close ko na to. Close ko na yan. Close. Because we're not gonna use it. Okay, so recap ng konti tayo. So una, pag may mag-o-offer sa'yo sa next bull cycle or even right now, if someone offers you, bili ka ng coin na to, invest ka dito, wala kang gagawin, kikita ka. number one, you need to ask, magkano yung market cap ng coin na yan? Magkano yung market capitalization ng coin na ino-offer mo? Second is this. Magkano or ilan yung circulating supply? Okay? Of course, from there, makukompute mo na. Because the formula is you need to divide market cap, okay, through circulating supply. So market cap divided by circulating supply, lalabas yung market value. Third is alamin mo saang exchange to pwedeng i-trade. Okay? Saang exchange siya, top exchange mo siya pwede ma-trade. And again, the website is clear, cryptocurrency or coinmarketcap.com/exchanges. Yung kaninang pinakita ko. And most important, okay, now you need to ask is, okay, so again, it's coinmarketcap.com/exchanges. Yung kanina, it's a market cap, circulating supply. All right. Saan yun? Okay. All right. So you need to understand saang exchange to pwedeng i-trade, and you need to know, all right, you need to know, dagdagan natin ha, okay, you need to know what is the use case. Kay panglima to, all right? What is the use case of the coin? Coach, ano yung use case? Saan ba ito ginagamit? Okay? Now, I'll give you a story. 2015, when I first met John McAfee in Singapore, merong coin, alright, dun sa event na yon, nag-boot sila, and this coin, ang pangalan ng coin na to, it's a banana coin. Banana coin. So if I'm going to search banana coin sa CoinMarketCap, here, so search box, wala kang makikitang banana coin. But here's the thing. So, out of curiosity, tinignan ko yung brochure, tinignan ko yung anong use case ng coin. The coin's project is to expand yung kanilang banana plantation. So, what's the point of having that banana coin? How it can help the whole ecosystem of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency? Now, you need to evaluate or self-evaluation. Bakit ba nila ginawa yung coin na yun? Tama? If wala siyang tulong dun sa ecosystem, then there's no point in investing on those cryptocurrencies. So I hope you guys are learning in this video. All right? All right. So next, let's talk about this next topic. Okay? Pag-usapan naman natin. All right, coach, alam ko na ano yung mga coins, alam ko na yung mga coins na pwede kong bilhin, alam ko na yung mga coins, or alam ko na saan ko makikita yung mga coins na to, alam ko na yung mga dapat kong malaman, itanong para hindi ako ma-scam, alam ko na yung mga foundation na dapat kong maintindihan. But, next question is this. Paano ko naman malalaman kung tataas na ba or bababa itong mga coin na to, or dapat ko na bang bilhin itong mga coin na to? Meron po mga indicator, let's say for example, sa Bitcoin, okay? Lagay natin dito. Okay, palitan ko lang muna yung currency. Gawin natin PHP. Okay, gawin natin PHP. There you go. Okay, para makita niyo yung current value niya in Philippine peso. So Bitcoin's price is 448,000 pesos. Tama? And before, a few months ago, it was just around 200,000, 250,000. Actually, December 2018, umabot pa nga to na 160,000 pesos lang. Then, July. Alright, July last year, umabot to na $14,000. Then, of course, bumaba, pumasok sa accumulation stage, bumagsak ulit. Then, right now, it's 448,000 pesos. Now, here's the next question. Coach, paano ko naman malalaman kung tataas ba yung value ni Bitcoin or bababa? Paano ko ba malalaman kung dapat na ba akong bumili or dapat na ba akong magbenta? Alright, now I would like to introduce to you this software or website called Tradingview.com. Okay? So Tradingview.com. So again, wala mo na kayong gagawin dito. What I want you to do is to listen, to watch the video, to write down, because after this, I have a good news for you. Okay? For those people na mag-share nito sa social media, and kasi mamaya ipapublish natin to, and for those people who are gonna share this content, okay, this video to your friends, if you tag your friends, 3 of your friends, if you share it, if you like our Facebook page, and if you like this video, and if you leave a review, okay? So Malay mo, isa ka sa manalo ng 500 peso worth of Bitcoin. Alright, so we're going to choose top 5 winners. Top 5 winners of 500 peso worth of Bitcoins. So if you share the video, if you tag 3 of your friends, if you like our Facebook page, and if you leave a review. Okay? And don't worry, I'm going to, aside from that, you're going to receive an email from us, a gift. Okay? A gift of the complete set video of this training module. Kasi this is just one video. But aside from this, how many of you are excited to this one? Can you please type I want to receive in the chat box below. Type nyo nga I want to receive that gift in the chat box below if you want to have good. Alright, because after this, bibigyan namin kayo ng access. Alright, dun sa ibang mga videos pa. Not only this. Because this is just an introduction. So marami pa ito. So in fact, you're going to receive 3 more videos after this in your email. So if you share it with your friends, tag 3 of your friends, like our Facebook page, and leave a review. So mamaya, ikutan natin yun. Are following? So kaya wag nyo munang intindihin, Coach, ano yan? Nakikita ko na yan. Iba yata kulay, ano itsura, ano website na yan. Wag nyo muna intindihin to. The goal is simple. Okay? The goal is very simple. The goal is for you to understand the basic familiarization lang muna. Hindi natin to kailangang i-pressure yung sarili natin. And of course, hindi nyo kailangan na habang ginagawa ko to, nagkikreate ka. No. Sundan mo muna. Alright? Panoorin mo muna, tapusin mo muna tong video na ito because at the end of this video, of course, doon mo makikita na, ganun pala yung system, ganun pala yung flow nito, ganun pala mag-start. Are you following? Alright, so let's start. So there's a website na ginagamit natin para malaman natin ano yung value or kailan ba tataas, paano ba tumataas si Bitcoin, paano ko malalaman na bababa ang value ng Bitcoin. Now, first is you need to make sure sa Tradingview. Again, it's not hard. What I'm sharing with you, hindi to mahirap. Maybe some of you, first time pa lang to makikita. A question, alright? How many of you here, first time pa lang nakita tong website na to, Tradingview? Type nyo nga dito, can you please type in the chat box below? Sino yung first time pa lang makita tong software na to, tradingview.com? Okay, very good. Sino yung mga ginagamit na to? Sino yung mga nag-explore na dito? Type nyo sa baba, I'm already using that. Okay? I'm already using that. So pag first time to use Tradingview or first time to see Tradingview, if not, I'm already using that. So para alam ko lang sino yung mga gumagamit na tsaka mga first time. Alright, very good, very good. Okay, I'm using that. Alright, thank you for sharing. Alright, now para dun sa mga gumagamit na, this will help you to enhance your skill in trading and in investing. Now para dun sa mga first timer naman, huwag niyo munang i-pressure yung sarili niyo because that's not the goal. Kasi baka mamaya, i-escape mo o mag-quit ka sa panonood kasi hala coach, ano yan? Ang technical naman, ang daming kulay pula, may mga linya-linya pa, hindi ko naintindihan yan. No. I also started not knowing this. In 2015, hindi ko pa ginagamit ito. In 2015, coins.ph lang ginagamit ko noon, tsaka CoinMarketCap. Right? But right now, huwag niyo i-pressure yung sarili niyo because there's a process, there's a right time for learning. Merong proseso kung gusto mo ma-master isang bagay. And part of that is number one technique that I'll be sharing with you is patience is the key. Pag mahaba yung pasensya mo, you have that patience to learn, then matututo ka eventually. Pero pag mainipin ka, gusto mo lahat minamadali, gusto mo mabilis ang kita, wala kang gagawin kay kita ka agad. Now, I will guarantee one thing. Kahit saan ka ilagay, mag-fail ka. Okay? Because in order for you to succeed, you need to have a proper foundation. The foundation is very important. Pag ang foundation mo ay malambot, kumbaga hilaw, sa madaling salita, everything will started to collapse. So that's why I'm here to guide you para hindi kayo mahirapan. I'm here to guide you in the process para meron kang susundan. Are you following? All right? Okay, so you need your journal. You need your notebook because yung notebook ninyo ang tutulong sa inyo dito. But again, after this, you're going to receive an email from us. Not only this video, but also 3 more videos that will help you in your trading and investing career in cryptocurrency. Starting today, you are going to have your a community, a family that will guide you through that process. So hindi mo na to ikaw lang ang gagawa. Are you following? So hindi mo na to gagawin mag-isa, sa madaling salita. So meron nang ikaw kasama, meron na tutulong sa'yo, at meron ka na mapagtatanungan ngayon. So we're gonna be sharing that with you after this webinar, after this session. All right. So again, if you're watching this video online or social media, please share this to your friends. Share this in your timeline. Tag 3 of your friends. Okay? And ano pa? Okay, leave a review dito sa baba, sa chat box nito, sa comment box nito sa Facebook. And most important is this. Okay? Don't forget to like our Facebook page. Facebook page is jonathantinoco.com because from time to time, dito kami nagpo-post ng mga updates, dito kami nag-share ng mga announcement na pag hindi mo nilike, baka hindi mo makita. So, if we have upcoming events, free workshops, free activities, so dito namin yung inaano sa aming Facebook page. So, again, please like this Facebook page, Jonathan Tinoco, if hindi nyo pa ito nilike. And once we publish this video, share it to your friends in your timeline, tag 3 of your friends, and mali mo, okay? You're gonna be one of those 5 na tao na pwede manalo ng 500 peso worth of Bitcoins. So, let's continue. Okay. So, ano yun mga nakikita ko na yan, Coach Jonathan? Ano itong mga green na line na yan? Itong mga red na line na yan. Okay. Now, ang tawag dyan mga candlesticks. Okay. Now, currently, I'm using a 15 minutes time frame. Coach, ano yung time frame? Okay. Now, pag pinindot ko yung 15 minutes, okay, medyo linawan natin. Lagyan natin ng kulay. Yan. Okay. So, since I'm using 15 minutes time frame, kung mapapansin ninyo, may makikita ka dyan na kulay green na bar, merong red na bar, dalawa lang yan, green, red, green, red. Etong red na to, etong green na to, etong red and green. Now, ang tawag dyan ay candlesticks. Okay? And yung mga candlesticks na yan, merong ibig sabihin yan. Let's say for example, yung green candlestick, ang ibig sabihin yan, market is up. Okay, pataas. Umakit yung merkado. Market is uptrend on that particular time frame. Pag ito namang red candlestick, okay, nakita mo to, ibig sabihin pababa yung presyo. Etong green pataas, etong red pababa. Are you following? So, ulitin ko yung green pataas, yung red pababa. Now, we are using, okay, since I'm using 15 minutes time frame, kada isang candlestick, okay, it represents 15 minutes time frame. Ibig sabihin, kada isang pirasong candlestick, okay, katumbas niyan, 15 minuto. So, pag pinindot ko tong 1 hour, okay, pag pinindot ko yung 1 hour, kada isang candlestick, katumbas niya na ngayon ay isang oras. And if I click, let's say for example, if I click 1 day, let's say 1 day, yan. Kada isang candlestick, ang katumbas niya ngayon ay, okay, isang araw. Sabihin, etong candlestick ngayon, etong nasa present na yan, currently, ito yung nangyayari ngayong araw na to. Etong kulay pula na to, ito yung kahapon, ito yung sumunod na araw, and so on. Alright? Now, there's an indicator. Balik muna tayo ng 15 minutes time frame. Okay? Now, paano ba namin nalalaman kung tataas ba ang value ng Bitcoin, bababa ang value ng Bitcoin? Now, there are different ways on how to do that, but number 1 is through the use of indicators. Ulitin ko through the use of indicators. So recently, I have this session with TGFI or the Global Filipino Investor. So tinuro ko ito doon, yung isang indicator kung paano mo malaman, ano yung magbibigay sa iyo ng signal kung potentially tataas ba yung price ng Bitcoin or bababa. And that indicator is called moving average. Ulitin ko it's moving average. Coach, ano yung moving average? Ito yung line na to. Itong color blue line, itong color red, itong color yellow. So pakilabas na inyong mga journal. Okay? Pakilabas na inyong mga notebook. Kasi tuturo ko sa inyo ito. Again, don't pressure yourself because there's a video right after this. We will send it to you in your email as long as nag-iwan ka ng review sa baba. So ipipm ka namin sa comment section of this video. Just leave a simple review. How's the event or how's this webinar? Kamusta yung webinar? Is it something that help you? Or baka wala lang? Or anything that you would like to share in the webinar? So mamimili kami ng mga, alright, sa sendan. So you're going to receive a message from our team. Okay, so ppm nila kayo. Alright. And again, ppm kayo galing lang dun sa Facebook page namin. So walang ibang mag-ppm sa inyo. Alright? Maliban sa official Facebook page namin, Jonathan Tinoco. Because while doing this live webinar, baka yung iba dyan, okay, maybe some of you, alright, baka merong iba dyan, biglang sumabay, biglang gumawa ng fake account, PNM kayo isa-isa. No. Again, we only have one official Facebook page. It's Jonathan Tinoco Online. And here, you're gonna see we have almost 18,000 followers. Alright? So ito lang yung aming official Facebook page. We have currently 18,000, almost near 18,000 followers. So, tingnan nyo po yun pag may nag-PM sa'yo. So again, we're going to receive a message directly from this page lang. So dito lang kayo susunod. So again, for you to receive an email from us and get a chance to win 500 pesos worth of Bitcoin, share this video, tag 3 of your friends. 3 of your friends. Alright? And like our Facebook page and leave a review doon sa comment section. Let's say, ito yung video. Alright? So, iwan ka lang ng comment doon sa comment section. How's attending this webinar? Okay? Kamusta? Anong mga natutunan mo? Paano ka nito natulungan? Alright? So, okay, going back. So, yung moving average, meron yan tatlong klase. So, yung color blue, if I double-click that one, that's moving average 50. Of course, pinalitan ko yung kulay, ginawa natin blue. Yung red naman is moving average 100. Andun to sa next video na marireceive ninyo. Don't worry, don't pressure yourself. Andun to sa kasunod na video. Itong yellow naman, that's moving average 200. So, that's yellow. Now, the signal is very simple. Okay? Ito yung binibigay na signal ng mga moving average. Number one is this. Currently, ang nakikita natin, di ba, nasa ilalim si moving average 50, ni moving average 100, which is the red color, and yellow color, which is moving average 200. Sa madaling salita, nasa ibabaw itong dilaw, yung pula, at nasa ilalim yung blue. Tama? Pag nakakita ka ng ganyang pattern or signal, ang ibig sabihin yan, market is downtrend. Bakit? Kasi, alright, nasa ilalim yung color blue, which is moving average 50. Pero bago nangyari yan, ito muna yung gusto ko ipakita sa'yo. Alright? Tingnan nyo to. Okay. Moving average gives you different signals. Number one is cross signal. Coach, ano yung cross signal? So, let's say for example, okay, nakita mo tong line na to, right? Yung color yellow, ito yung blue, ito yung red. Tama? Simulan ko dito sa area na to. Okay? Gamit tayo ng okay, hindi ko magamit yun. Simulan natin sa area na to. Let's say, kunwari, hindi mo pa nakikita yung kasunod simula dito. Naka-hide pa to. Kunwari, itong area na yan. Okay, hanggang dun sa baba. So let's say, ito pa lang yung nakikita mo. But eventually, you're going to notice here, from here, ito yung blue, nasa ibabaw. Yung red nasa ilalim, at saka yung yellow. Kung papansinin mo, unti-unti, nagko-cross yung color blue at saka yung red. Tama? Moving average 50 and moving average 100. Pag nakakita ka ng ganyang pattern or signal or indicator, okay, eto, nakita mo yan? Nag-cross sila, nag-meet, nag-cross. Tapos umibabaw yung moving average red at umibabaw yung blue. It will give you a signal na market is downtrend. Pababa yung magiging downtrend. Pababa yung magiging market. Alright? Now, ito yung pangalawa. Nakita mo to? Aside from blue, or aside from nag-red over blue, or umibabaw yung red, umilalim yung blue, na kung mapapansin mo naman dito, umibabaw yung dilaw. Okay, kanina, di ba? Ito yung blue, ito yung dilaw. This time, umibabaw yung... Okay, asan yung aking chat? Wait lang ha. Alright, hold on. Okay, asan na yun? Alright, okay. Alright, very good. Okay, sige. So again, type me in the comment box below kung nakakasunod ka pa at nakasabay ka pa dun sa topic natin. Type me in the comment box below. Alright, kung nakakasunod ka pa dun sa topic natin. Very good, very good. Alright, thank you. Alright, thanks a lot. Now here, again, hindi to technical ha. Huwag niyong isipin na mahirap tong tinuturo ko sa inyo. Again, hindi to mahirap kung papraktisin mo to araw-araw. At hindi rin to mahirap kung aaralin mo to, seryosohin mo to. Tama? So magiging mahirap lang to kung hindi mo to bibigyan ng time, hindi ka mag-invest dito, at hindi mo to seryosohin. Are you following? So this time, you already have a group, a community that will guide you in the process. So samantalahin niyo yung opportunity na yan because from there, I want to see progress few months from now. So again, this is free. Wala tong bayad. But in return, I want to see progress from you. Especially you who's watching this video, who's watching this webinar, who's watching this Facebook video. So few months from now, I want to see progress. Ibig sabihin, gusto ko meron kang result, gusto ko meron nangyari sa'yo, meron nangyari sa buhay mo. Tama? And if you have any question, concern, we have a group in the Telegram, so you can simply ask some of your questions, and our team will guide you, will support you. Alright? Okay. So, first cross. Okay, nakita mo to. Moving average 50 and moving average 200. Umibabaw ngayon yung red, umilalim yung blue. So, nagbigay siya sa iyo ng first signal na market ay babagsak. Now, ano tong pangalawa? Yung moving average 50 and 200. Yung blue tsaka yellow. This is your second confirmation. Alright? Kino-confirm niya ngayon na ang market magtutuloy-tuloy itong pababa. Kaya kung papansinin natin, alright, from here, see? Gagamit na ako ng panukat, date and price range from here. Okay, simulan natin dito sa nag-cross yung moving average 50 and 200 from here to here. Up to here. Okay, ito yung data. Meaning from here to here, bumagsak sa Bitcoin ng negative 12%. 2 days and 11 hours. See that? Here, this one. So, ibig sabihin, sa madaling salita, ang data or this data shows that from this area, that was February 24, here, di ba? Nasa baba, ito, February 24, 2020, up to February 27, 2020, bumagsak ang value, price na Bitcoin from, okay, here is the price, $9,800 down to $8,500 dahil nag-signal siya ng cross signal from here to here. So coach, ibig sabihin, kung bagsak or kapag nakakita ako ng ganyan signal, alam ko na ngayon na babagsak yung value ng Bitcoin? Yes. Remember, not guaranteed, not always, but isa lang ito or isa pa lang ito. But aside from this, there are other signals and there are other indicators. Okay? So again, this is moving average. Now, hanap pa tayo. Let's say for example, ito. Okay? Okay, bago naman umakyat to hanggang dito, kung papansinin natin from here. Okay. O diba ito yung blue, red, yellow. Ito sila magkakatabi. From here, alright. Nakita nyo ba to? Cross signal. Ayun, no? Umibabaw ngayon naman yung blue, umilalim yung red. Or moving average 50 is above moving average 100. And from here, moving average 50 is above moving average 200. So, ibig sabihin, from here, kung papansinin, kung gagamit ako ulit ng date and price range, susukatin natin, umakyat naman sa Bitcoin ng 3.28%. Now, if you're using a margin or margin trading platform, oops, okay, if you're using a margin trading platform, ibig sabihin, kung gumamit ka ng times 100 margin or times 100 leverage, meaning kumita ka dyan 328%. And here, if you're using a times 100 margin, it means you have generated 1,200%. So, coach, ito pala yung kumikita ng 100%, 200% in cryptocurrency? Yes! Isang proof ito. Okay? If you go to coinmarketcap.com, okay? If you go to coinmarketcap.com, if you click this one, view all. Okay? Kasi maraming hindi naniniwala, malaki pala yung potential earnings sa cryptocurrency. Yes. Okay, but again, I don't want you to enter the space just because malaki yung kita. No. Okay, hindi to one time, big time. And no one will guarantee you yayaman ka agad pag pumasok ka dito. So balik ko lang to ng US dollar. Okay? The reason why I'm sharing this with you is because gusto ko makita mo na merong potential yung market. Ibig sabihin, sa madaling salita, if you're working 8 hours per day, if you don't like what you're doing, then dagdag mo to sa ginagawa mo. Bakit? Because, ano ba naman yung pagtutunan mo to, you started to learn how to generate 5% per day, 10% per day. or even 50% per day, like what our students experiencing. Okay? So most of our students, yung iba nga sa kanila kumikita ng 50% per day, 30%, yung iba 100%, some of them 200, 300, 500% per day. Okay? And if you click coinmarketcap.com, I'll use this as an example. If I click 24-hour percent. Okay? Okay. Meron dyan, here, makikita mo dyan, in 7 days, meron, or in 24 hours, may 21%. Okay? Since bear market or nasa retracement area tayo ngayon, medyo maliit yung mga price increase, 21%. Pero sa susunod na higher high na i-create ngayon na Bitcoin, kasunod na higher high, maybe a few months from now, makikita mo yan dito. Meron dyan 200%, 300%, 500%. 7 days, ayun nga, meron sa loob ng 7 days, 300%. This is spot exchange. But if you're using a margin trading platform, okay, if you're using a leverage trading platform, ibig sabihin, you can leverage your trade to times 10, meaning kung umakyat si Bitcoin ng 3.28% that time, sa loob ng 7 hours, 45 minutes, meaning kumita ka ng 30.28%. And if you're using times 100 margin, alright, if you're using times 100 margin, then of course, you can what? You can earn up to 300%. And Annalyn Rosario, don't worry. Okay, I hope I can speak Arabic. Yeah. All right. And don't worry, because again, the purpose of this video is to share it dun sa ating mga kababayan, mga Filipino, especially mga OFWs and yung mga nasa Visayas, Mindanao, yung sa iba't ibang karatig parte ng Pilipinas. Because I believe this can help. Because we've already seen that. Nakita na namin yan, especially those who've attended our events, our seminars, our workshop. Marami nagbago yung buhay. Of course, marami rin hindi kumita. That's true. Those people are the ones who quit their journey, quit their process. Because we continue giving supports, we continue learning from time to time. We also have a community that will help you in the process. So, ibig sabihin, continuous yung ginagawa naming pag-aaral. And we believe that if we also share it doon sa ibang mga kababayan natin, mga Pilipino, pwede makatulong sa kanila tong opportunity industry nito. Are you following? So, going back, alright, so going back. So using margin trading platform. Okay? So like what Eric Carancea said, yung anak niya na grade 6 and grade 7, if you've seen that, okay, if you go to our Facebook page, actually, if you go to photo section, okay, meron niyang, or last time, meron kaming attendee, anak niya, mga bata. Okay, saan na ba yun? I think this is the photo. So if you go to our Facebook page, etong tatlong to, yung mga bubwit na yan. Alright, nakakatuwa. Very inspiring. At that age, I believe they're 11 years old, they're 13 years old. Guys, if they can, you can. Sila yung nagko-coaching nung time na yun. Because we've designed a program that even a grade 1 student can easily understand. Especially if you've seen that, if you attended one of our events, makikita mo doon. Sobrang dali niya maintindihan. Even, yan, those kids, actually, sila ngayon nagko-coaching noong time na yan. So, coach, ibig sabihin, kaya nila? Kaya ko rin? Of course. You and I have infinite potential. You and I have unlimited mind. And you and I have multi-millionaire mind. Ibig sabihin, nagsisimula yan lahat sa isip. Alright? Starts here. Your success starts here and you will also fail because of this if you don't know how to use it. Alright? Alright, so going back, balik tayo dun sa topic natin kanina. So again, that's one single indicator. Are you following? Now, yung isang tuturo ko sa inyo is very simple. Okay. Coach, ano naman nangyari? Bakit may mga lumabas na line sa ilalim? Okay. Sobrang dali lang nito, sobrang simple lang nito. And, okay, simulan natin dito sa indicator na to. Alright? So again, I'm not gonna share all of this. Hindi tayo, or kukulangin yung time natin. So maganda, isa lang muna or dalawa lang muna ngayon. Then next webinar, next month, okay, pag-usapan natin yung ibang mga, mga tools. Alright? So this second indicator, pang-isulat, ang tawag dito ay stochastic RSI. Ito yung spelling niya. Okay, stochastic RSI. This one. Okay, please write it down. Yung kanina, ang tawag doon, moving average. Okay, this one. Etong pangalawa, hindi yung moving average exponential. Iba yung use nito. Ito muna. And yung pangalawa, ang tawag dito ay stochastic RSI. Yan. This one. Etong line, etong color purple na merong dalawang lines sa loob at labas. Okay, etong may orange tsaka merong blue color line. Now, just like moving average, meron din tong tinatawag na cross signal. Okay, by the way, okay, kung mapapansin niyo, meron tong line sa taas, meron tong line dito sa baba. Ang tawag dyan ay support area or support and resistance. Ulitin ko support and resistance. Support ay yung lapag. Ito yun, yung line na yan. Resistance, ito yung nasa kisame, ceiling, yung nasa taas. Now, here's the basic information with regards to this indicator. So matatapos tayo dito. Alright? Now, using this indicator, this tool, stochastic RSI, makikita mo dito saan papunta yung kasunod or saan yung magiging movement kayo ng Bitcoin. Because in reality, what goes up must go down. What goes down must go up. Now, okay, kapag nakita mo tong line na to, let's say hindi mo pa nakikita tong kasunod na yan. Nakita mo pa lang tong eto pa lang. Okay, nakita mo from here, biglang lumagpas sa ilalim. Pag etong price action, etong convergence, etong dalawang line na to, alright? Parang yung convergence divergence, parang MACD. Okay, may convergence divergence. Pero etong blue line and orange line, pag lumagpas yan sa ilalim, ang tawag dyan ay breakout or oversold breakout. Ulitin ko oversold breakout, meaning maraming nagbenta. Kaya bumagsak yung presyo sa ilalim, na-break niya yung kanyang support level. Pag naman umakyat, kagaya nun, di ba nakita nyo, lumagpas, umakyat ng resistance level, yung ceiling, nabasag niya yung area na to. So kanina, ito yung na-break niya, tama? Or this time, ito naman. So pag na-break niya tong line na to, ang tawag dyan, overbought breakout. Meaning, maraming bumili. Kahit pa yung value niya mahal, maraming sumabay na bumili. Now, the technique is very simple. Kapag una is this. From overbought, pag ang market ay galing sa overbought area, wala tong choice kundi kailangan niya ulit umakyat. That's the first idea behind this. Ulitin ko from overbought area, kailangan niya ulit umakyat. Parang ito. Ka-level niya tong line na to. So from here, kung papansinin mo, umakyat yan hanggang dito. That's 4%. By simply using stochastic RSI. Okay? Now, aside from that, pag nakakita ka ng cross signal. Coach, ano yung cross signal? Ito rin yun. See that? Pag umibabaw yung blue doon sa orange, it will give you an uptrend signal. Okay? It will give you an uptrend signal. But hintayin mo tong, tamaan niya ulit tong support level bago ka mag-entry. Meaning, bago ka mag-create ng buy order, especially if you're using a margin trading platform, hintayin mo, tamaan niya muna tong, etong 20 points level. So, etong support level are following. Then, from here, pwede ka mag-create ng buy order. Meaning, alam mo, tataas or potentially tataas yung price na Bitcoin. So, coach, ibig sabihin, ganun lang pala kadali malaman kung kailan tataas or bababa yung price na Bitcoin. Yes. Alright, that's how simple it is. The problem is this. Hindi to tinuro sa school. At hindi rin to tinuturo sa trabaho natin. Tama? It's because that's not the topic. But here, sobrang dali niyang intindihin because the tools are very simple, learnings are very simple, and the way we approach or the way we teach, the way we approach are also very simple. Kasi ayoko na, even ikaw who's watching this webinar, this Facebook Live or Facebook video, mahirapan. Tama? So I want to make sure na maintindihan mo to na madali. I want to make sure na maiintindihan mo to the point that even a grade 1 student can easily understand. So, I believe that's it for today. And I hope marami tayong natutunan in this Facebook Live episode. So now, before we go, I would like to share with you some of the announcements. So starting next month, gagawin na natin to regularly. So pakisulat, pakilagay sa inyong mga calendar, schedule nyo na to because every month, aside from me, we're going to invite different speakers. We're going to have different special guests. So sa susunod na month, maybe we'll start that next month or on April. But next month, gagawin na natin to every second Wednesday of the month. So our public webinar will be every month, second Wednesday of the month from 9 p.m. to 10:30 to 11 p.m. maximum onwards. Of course, it's not more than 2 hours. Maximum na yung 2 hours. 1 hour to 1.5 hours yung magiging webinar natin. So again, starting next month. All right? Every second Wednesday of the month. Next. So kagaya nung sinabi natin kanina, we are going to have and to choose five winners of 500 peso worth of Bitcoin. So again, share this video, tag 3 of your friends, okay? Like our Facebook page, Jonathan Tinoco. We only have one Facebook page and we have 18,000 followers. So i-like nyo lang yung Facebook page namin. And the fourth one, doon sa ilalim nitong comment section na to. Let's say, na-publish ko na siya. Okay, nung sa ilalim ng video. Okay, share your experience. Okay? Ano natutunan mo dito sa video na ito, dito sa topic natin ngayon? Alright? And we will choose top 5 winners and i-PM namin kayo from this page. Alright? And of course, you're going to receive 500 peso worth of Bitcoin. Alright? Next will be, alright, our next event pala. Okay, for those of you who are interested to attend our events, upcoming events, unfortunately, wala kaming kasunod dito sa Metro Manila. Our next event will be in Baguio City. If you go to our website, it's www.incomebuildersempire.com. If you scroll it down, makikita nyo dyan yung aming public event. Ang tawag dyan ay Crypto to Profit Live Seminar. So again, it's Crypto to Profit Live Seminar. So if you click Crypto to Profit Live Seminar, if you click, yes, I want to attend this event, so it will open a new tab, and from here, you're gonna see our next schedule. And here's the good news. We have 5 schedules this year. Yung isa natapos na. That was January 19 in Makati. So yung kasunod namin will be in Baguio City. So if you click that one, if you click Baguio City, so meron tong registration link. Okay, that will be from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. So sa City Light Hotel. So for those of you who's watching the video, or watching right now, ito yung schedule of events namin this 2020. So Naga City, we're gonna be there on May 24. Quezon City naman, the next and the last event in Metro Manila will be on July 19. So share it with your friends, share this video with your friends who are interested to attend that event, because during the event, magkakaroon tayo ng raffle session din. Alright? So on those events. So please, invite all your friends to attend our upcoming Crypto to Profit Live Seminar. Davao will be there on September 19. And of course, before the year end, November 8, 2020. Alright? So those are the schedule of our events and our live coaching or live Crypto to Profit seminar. So you're gonna see that at crypto or incomebuildersempire.com. So again, 4 steps. Step 1, share this video. Second, tag 3 of your friends. Tingin mong gusto na matuto about cryptocurrency. Tingin mo na merong kaalaman sa crypto pero kulang yung kaalaman, naghahanap ng additional knowledge. Tag 3 of your friends. Next, like our Facebook page, Jonathan Tinoco. It's Jonathan Tinoco Online. And the fourth one, sa ilalim nitong video na ito. What I want you to do is to share your learnings, experience. Anong na-experience mo? Anong matututunan mo dito sa event, sa webinar natin today? Alright? So I hope maraming kayo natutunan in our episode. Okay? So we have 1 minute left. Okay? Sorry, I apologize. We have 1 minute left. So I would like to acknowledge again all of you, those who are currently here right now in our live event. So again, sa lahat ng mga umattend ngayon, lahat naman nanonood, lahat naman na ikinig, like kong sinasabi, if you want to succeed, you need to dedicate yourself in lifelong learning. If you want to succeed in life, aral ka. Because the risk, like what Warren Buffett said, the risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. All right? So that's it for today. So I'll see you next month. I'll see you on March, kailan to? March 11. So second Wednesday of March. So magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na session. And of course, we have a Telegram group. So you check your email. Meron kami pinadala sa inyo. So our team will be there. So we have our Telegram group. Our Telegram group is the public group. So I'm sure you're already there. So if you have questions, concern, feel free to ask them in our group. So this is your Coach Jonathan Tinoco. So type here in the comment box below. Sino dito yung marami natututunan? Type nyo nga, that's me, that's me, that's me. Okay? Type nyo, that's me. Sa baba, kung marami kayo natutunan dito. Alright, very good. Alright, thank you. So if you've learned a lot today, so you're gonna learn more in our next upcoming live events, Facebook Live webinar. So again, this is your Coach Jonathan Tinoco signing off. Thank you for watching. I'm sure marami na naman tayong mga natututunan. Alright, and again, continue your process, continue learning because hindi pa dito nagtatapos yung inyong kaalaman. Gaya ng sinasabi namin, the more you learn, the more na nadadagdagan yung iyong knowledge. So, good night everyone. This is your Coach Jonathan signing off. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good night and God bless you all. Thank you.